Here is a prepared tissue whole mount of your nerves fiber, specifically or your axons, myelinated axons, wherein the fibers have been separated or teased from one another. And in this case, we can better appreciate some features of your myelinated axon, such as your node of Ranvier. If we try to zoom in closely, we can better see your axon in the middle and the covering myelin sheath. And again, you can better see your node of Ranvier here. Okay? Here, you would have your axons in the middle, axon, axon, and it's covered by your myelin sheath and your node of Ranvier.